Now I am going to explain experiment number 4 called designing and configuring static routing for inter-network communication. So what is static routing? Static routing is a routing technique where the network administrator manually configures the routing table, the routes remaining fixed and do not change automatically if the network topology changes. It is simple, secure, and consumes favor resources, but it is not scalable and requires the manual reconfiguration, making it suitable only for small networks. Now, default routing is a technique where routers using routing protocols like RIP, OSPF, GRP, or BGP automatically learns and updates the routing. It adapts network changes and highly scalable resources manually work, but it consumes more CPU, memory, and bandwidth, and it's slightly complex to configure the compared to the static routing. Now this is the topology diagram where we connected the two pieces to a switch, and the switch is connected to a router, and the router is connected to another router 1 by SE 0 comma 2, and this router is connected to a switch. Switches are connected to the PCs. Now the commands that which are used for the R1 is 172.160.0.255.250.6 sector C by 02, and RP route 20.20.20.0 to 55.255.255.2.52. Here we uses here, and same route we uses same we have users here. Now we are config the all IP addresses of all host PCs and configures the router interfaces and configure the routers, install the static routers, and test and verify the configurations. Now uses the configurations for R1 is for R1 for R1 router 1 uses, suppose for this router 1 we uses 192.168.10.1 subnetting 255.255.255.0 and IP address 10.10.10.1 subnetting 255.0.0.0. Now for this IP address 192.168.20.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. For for default network 10.10.10.2 and 255.255. No, sorry, 255.0.0.0. Now for PC1 we just 192.168.10.2 for IP address and subnetting 255.255.255.0. Now default gateway 192.168.10.1. Same it follows. Thank you. Thank you.